Hey guys, Kyle here. I got some feedback from Facebook saying that some of you guys wanted to know how to do and set up your Bitmoji classroom. Now, this is a pretty easy process to do. You just got to know what to do. And so that's all. There's not really a lot of secrets to this. Anyone can set one up, but there are some steps that you need to take. Um, and it's really cool at the end. You have a really cool effect, and you can update it weekly, monthly, however you want to do it throughout this year. But anyways, first step you're going to do is go to Snapchat and make a Snapchat account. Now, Snapchat's available through any app store on most modern devices. So if you don't have an iPhone or an Android or something that where you can download apps, you may not be able to do this. I don't know if Snapchat works via through your computer because I don't use Snapchat. The only reason why I have Snapchat is to set this up. So I deleted Snapchat a long time ago. But anyways, get a Snapchat, make an account. Then you're going to download this little application. Let's see if I can consider it the phone. It is called Bitmoji. Bitmoji. Okay, and that's a little green. It has little rainbows underneath it. Bitmoji. And you're going to sign in with your Snapchat account. That's the only reason why you need it. A Snapchat account. You're going to sign into Bitmoji. You're going to set that up via your phone. You will need it on your phone. And then once you set that up, you can come to your computer. So go to Snapchat, set up an account, then go to Bitmoji, set it up, link your Snapchat account to that. Then you can delete Snapchat if you don't want it, but keep your Bitmoji on your phone. Once you did that, you're going to go to Google Chrome on your computer. Now, you have to use Google Chrome. It will not work in Safari. Once you're on Google Chrome, you're going to just type in the search bar Bitmoji extension. Okay, and it's already in my search bar. Extension. You're going to click the first one, which is the Bitmoji. Google Chrome is what you're looking for, the Chrome Web Store. Of course, there's my personal email. And then it's already been installed. I don't want to remove it, but you would click install. Then, once you did that, it's automatically part of your extension, which is this little puzzle piece up here beside your letter of your name in the top right corner. And you'll click that, and then it will eventually pop up different Bitmojis. Right now, oh, there it went. Let's see what it's going to do. It was loading. See, there's all my Bitmojis. And you can type in hello, and it's going to bring up different options. It's really cool. So now you have it on your computer. Awesome. Now, here's the fun part. Google Slides. You're going to go to Google Slides. Sign in. Since we are all school employees, we already have an account. So Google Slides, sign in. We're going to start with a blank document. I do have my virtual classroom down there. I don't want to mess it up, so I'm not going to touch it. All right, but for this purpose. Once you're at the blank, we don't have to do themes. Okay, delete these bubbles. Pretty easy. Okay, and insert image, search a web. Right now, we're just going to put in an image that of a wall and floor. So that's what we're going to put: wall and floor backgrounds right there. Click that. Oh, this one's cute. So let's put that one in. We have our wall and floor background. We're going to stretch it out to fill the whole slide up. Perfect. And then while this is already popped up, let's do teacher's desk. Teacher's desk. And use the word transparent. Transparent. Teacher desk transparent. Because that transparent is going to make it where there's nothing in the background of the desk. This one's really cool because it has a blackboard in it. So we're going to put that in right away. And it's like super big. We don't want it as big. So we're going to resize that image. Because we don't want it to take up so much room. So it has been resized. And then now, what's some other things that would you like in your classroom? For me, I really wanted a bookshelf. So type in bookshelf. And then make sure you put that word transparent in it because you don't want background noise. This is a really, really cute bookshelf, so we're going to add that. It's still really big, so we're going to make it small. Add that to the top. Okay. And then finally, you're like, I want me in there. So this is where it's really cool. Of course, you want to add yourself. So you're going to go up here, back to the little puzzle piece. Go to Bitmoji. There you have it. Let's see. I'm gonna dab in this one. So I just drag over my person. Sweet, hey. And then I'm dabbing and I'm in my classroom. Okay. Now, you want to make your classroom interactive, right? So, like, you could post assignments on the board, or maybe you have an introductory video you want to add. You're going to do those things through links. You can upload all your files, like if you have a video of yourself, put them on YouTube and then put the link in. Let me show you how to do that, okay? So, the first thing, we're going to do an assignment, okay? So, we're going to click our marker board. And we're going to go up here and put insert a link. And of course, I don't really know what we're going to insert, so we're going to search for a link. Let's see. Let me see. Pink. I was going to do Pink Cat Games. But here's just a gaming site that a lot of kids use, frib.com at school. So let's say we want them to play a video game, which is terrible for this video, but you'll get the point. We'll just cut that and then put that there into that link and apply. Okay. So now we applied it to just that image. You can see it right here. Now you can't see it, but it's still there. But we want them to read something. So let's go back. Let's go to YouTube. YouTube.com. And let's type in a book. I love Pete the Cat, so I'm gonna put him in Rocking in My School Shoes. Alright, we really want this one, so we're just gonna...
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence...
Pardon me for the app. Just copy and paste that link. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna click the bookshelf, insert a link, then paste, and apply. Okay? Now you can do this to Google Docs. You can do this to a math worksheet. You could do this to an online library. Whatever is accessible through a link, you can embed into that image. After you do that, you're like, okay, what's next? Well, you can view it. So we're going to go to present. This is what we want it to look like. Look at that. It's really nice and pretty. The user's going to click on that. Look, there's Frib. They clicked on the marker board. There's Frib. So it's working. There's the bookshelf. Look, we're going to Pete the Cat. So it's working. So those links the kids can interact with. That's one of the fun things about our Bitmoji classroom. So anyways, let's go back because now this next part is kind of tricky. And I'm going to pull up my regular one, the one that I did on my own. So you want to name your classroom, but if you want to share it like via social media or if you want to go Google Drive would be the easiest. If your classroom has Google Classroom, you can just load it in there. But if you wanted to share it with social media, like Facebook and stuff, you're going to need to do this. And I actually had to... I looked this up, but I just kind of figured it out myself. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, and then obviously save it. But you want to publish to the web. and start slideshow as soon as the player loads. And then what I did is I clicked Facebook. Sorry, not I didn't click Facebook. Sorry, I did do it at first and I didn't like it. But after that, you just want to copy this link right here, and then you paste it into your social media site, like Facebook is what we use. And I always go. I don't like doing it in Google. I always go to Safari. So we go in there, and then click on this. What's on your mind? It's not loading. That's what's on my mind. Create post, and then should be able to paste that link into that, and there you go. You are able to share it with anybody that clicks on that link. Again, if it's in Google Classroom, I don't use Google Classroom a lot, but from what I understand, that you could just share it with your Google Classroom, and you don't have to worry about publishing and all that stuff to the website. But since I use a lot of social media like Facebook, Instagram, for my parents, they need that link sent to that. So anyways, that's a brief tutorial. You can play around with inserting those links. Again, you can link, I know Miss Debbie Goff, she teaches math. Debbie, I hope you're watching this. Let's say you have a math page. You want to put that into your Google Drive. And then share the link, copy that link to that paper in Google Drive, and then add it into one of the images. Which, if y'all need help with that, I can always make another video. But this is going to be your basic thing, just setting up your classroom. I hope it helps. Take care, guys.